Learn 10 advanced phrasal verbs with off. Cordon off. To block off an area to prevent people from entering. The police cordoned off the street after the accident. They cordoned off the building due to safety concerns. Back off. To stop being involved in a situation and let others handle it. When the argument started, I decided to back off and let them work it out. She told him to back off and let her handle the situation on her own. Shake off. To escape or get rid of something or somebody following you. He ran through the park to shake off the angry dog. Work off. To get rid of an unpleasant feeling by doing something energetic. She went for a run to work off her stress. He started dancing to work off his frustration. Split off. To separate from a group and form a new one. A few members decided to split off and start their own team. Some coworkers split off during lunch to eat at a different cafe. Be cut off. Be separated from others and unable to see or communicate with them. The road was flooded and we were cut off from the city. I'm in a different building, so I'm cut off from my colleagues. Kick off. Shoes, boots. To remove your shoes quickly by shaking your feet. After a long day at work, she kicked off her shoes and relaxed on the couch. He kicked off his boots before stepping onto the clean carpet. Have or take time off. To stop working temporarily to do something else. I am taking time off next week to visit my family. She had some time off to recover after the surgery. Shrug off or shrug aside. To ignore something or treat it as unimportant. He shrugged off the criticism and kept working on his project. She shrugged aside the rude comment and focused on her speech. Cut something or somebody off. To stop providing something such as aid or supplies. The company cut off their electricity supply because of unpaid bills. Due to the storm, the town was cut off from food supplies for days.